Kitty? Come on, little one. Come on. Come on. You can go to sleep again now. Yes, I know. I know. Come on. Waking up, Weaver.
I know.
Oh, good girl. That's it. Come on. Come on, hand. I'm right here with you. You're okay. Come on. Waking up. Yes, it's your sister. Kitty.
Okay.
I know. I know. Kitty, come on. Well, that's not practice sight.
I think he's going to be falling over people.
Yeah, I think you might be right, Christine. Kitty, you okay? You gonna waken up for me?
But I'm glowing.
Kitty. Kitty.
Makes the bad men shiver and the ladies quiver. No sweat. First ever.
You should sleep with her eyes open.
Mom, wake up. Come on, Kitty. Wake up.
Kitty.
Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Wake up. Wake up. Come on. Hello. Hello. Come on, Kitty. Wake up.
Alright, you're getting there. Yeah, there we go.
Right.
There we go.
Welcome back.
Good girl.
Right now we're talking about.
Hi.
Yeah. Anything that Drew can tell is Kitty's so tired. She can't know what to do, but I don't know what to do. Well, everything that Drew can say, everything that Drew can say, is in Kitty's pen. Hang on, mate. Ain't a leg. Take a look at our mother.